Walmart plus membership, what's included and how much does it cost? Thinking about signing up for Walmart membership program ahead of Black Friday. Here's everything that you get for here. Amazon Prime offer 2-day delivery, a video streaming service, photo storage, PC game, and more, all for here per month. But it got some in late 2020 with the launch of Walmart, which offer similar perks for a whole lot less. With a Walmart subscription, you get benefits like free delivery and shipping, disconnected gas, contact free checkout, and more. Subscribers also gain access to limited time offer with other companies and service. If you have signed up or con- considering a switch from Prime, here's what you need to know about Walmart subscription service. Like many other subscription service, Walmart offer monthly and yearly plans. You can choose to pay each month or all at once for the full year. By signing up for the full year, you will save over the month to month plan comparison. A yearly Amazon Prime subscription only saves you over the monthly plan. Ultimately, which plan is best depends on your shopping habits. If you have a Walmart regular and know you will be going back over the next 12 months, a yearly subscription makes sense. Just looking for quick shipping and shopping perks over the holidays, monthly may be the way to go. Walmart also offer disconnected rates per month or per year to students and those who qualify for government assistance through SNAP, Medicare, and as a part of your Walmart membership subscription, unlock several benefits and exclusive offer that can save you money in the long run. They include membership get early access to special promotion and event from Black Friday deals to high profile product release. Just saying on at the appointed time to potentially snag a disconnected must have items that may be otherwise in short supply. You can keep tabs on what's coming up via the early access storefront. Note that this perk is not available for those on a 30 days free trial. Walmart customers in the retailers deliver zone can get and other items delivered from their home store. Non-Walmart members pay a delivery fee. Between with Walmart, there are no delivery fee for order over fee for those under. Walmart offer free 2 days shipping on orders or more for all customer. With Walmart, there are no minimum. The catch this code not cover third party seller or oversized item and freight orders. To determine which items are eligible, look for the sold and shipped by Walmart label on product page. Do not want to go back to the store for a return. Members can instead choose the return from home option when selecting a return method online, and Walmart will come and pick it up. This benefit is limited to certain location and purchase, and there is a whole list of items